Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Tayo. I am super excited to have you watch this tutorial with me. Alright, so in this tutorial we'll be exploring how to create the amazing design that we have on the screen with simple steps using our Coreldraw. Alright, so but before we move ahead into designing, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button now and then make sure that your notification bell is turned on so as for you not to miss any of the videos that will be uploading anytime soon. Alright, so having said that, let's get started. Alright, the very first thing we need to do is to launch our Coreldraw. Then we'll change the size here. So my own size by default is 12 by 12, so you can decide to use any size that you prefer to use. Alright, then let's just use 12 by 12 in this tutorial. These are the colors that I'll be using in this tutorial. These are the color codes. Okay, so what I want to do now is let me just highlight on the colors, and I will drag them down here to my document colors so that I'm able to have a clone of those colors here. All right, then I can now delete this. Good. All right, so the next thing we need to do now is to work on our background. And how do we do about that? You double tap on your rectangle tool. You have to draw a kind of rectangle around your workspace. Then we remove the outline. Show you how to remove outline. You come to this place where we have a white and a stroke. Then you right click to remove the outline. Good. Then we apply the very first color, which is this. Then we click on our eclipse tool, and then we draw a circle. All right. Then we apply this color. Okay. Then we remove the outline. Then we power clip this circle into our workspace. Then we edit the power clip. Then all right. Then we come to effects, blur, then Gaussian blur. Okay. Then this we take the threshold to the radius to the extreme, which is 250. Then we click OK. Good. Alright, so let's increase it more. Alright, then we click on our transparency tool, and then we drag it like this. We have to give it a kind of a linear transparency. Alright, I think it's looking like that. Then we duplicate this. Okay, duplicate it. Show you how to duplicate. You press your shift key while trying to reduce, and then use your right click to drop it. Okay, you have to duplicate rather. Then we change the color to this yellow. Alright, then we come to our transparency tool again. Then we change this normal to screen. Alright, then take it up a bit to position it very well. Then we click on finish. Beautiful. Okay, so we still need to increase this. The size of this. Beautiful. Okay, then click on finish. Good. Then what else do we do? Let me increase this a bit. Okay, then we copy this to this place. Okay, then we click on the mirror horizontally. Beautiful. Okay, then we position it very well. Then we click on finish. Brilliant, so it's too much. So let's take it backward a bit. I think it's okay like this. Beautiful. Then we copy the images that we want to use for this tutorial. Right, then you press Ctrl V to paste. Okay, or you right click and then press paste. Anyone. Alright, then we click on our transparency tool, and then we drag this edge up in order to give it a linear transparency. Alright, so let me zoom in very well so that I'll be able to see what we are doing. So I'll take this down a bit. Alright, then let me take it down a bit more. Good, and I think it's perfectly okay like this. Alright, then this, I will take this to reduce this, position it at this edge here. I think it's okay like this. Beautiful. Okay, then for this table, I'll bitmap it. Now come to Effects, Adjust, and then click on this brightness, contrast, and intensity. Okay, let me reset this. So the brightness should be 0, then the contrast should be like 63. Let's see. Then this, then the intensity should be like -41. Let's see. -41 is alright. So we'll click on OK. Good. Then I now click on Finish. Beautiful. Now let's power clip this image. So we did the power clip. So the position is very well. Then I will click on a transparency tool and then give it a linear transparency till the white is not appearing again. Alright. Good, so let's bitmap it. So we'll do the same thing for this edge here. Just blend this part small. Beautiful, good. So let's convert it to bitmap. I think I need to blend this up part a bit more. Good, I think it's now okay like this. Then we convert it to bitmap. Alright, then we'll come to transparency tool again, and we'll change this normal to add light. Pick it up, and I will page up the table. Good. So then we click on Finish. Let's bring in our coffee. And we'll bring in the smoke. So we'll reduce the size of the smoke. And coffee, let's increase the beat. So we'll position it at the center. Okay. So make sure that the coffee really sits on the table. Okay. Then for this smoke effect, pitch it up. Okay. And increase the size. Right. So make sure you position the smoke effect very well so that to be at the center of the coffee. Alright. Then this coffee, let's apply shadow. So you click on your drop shadow tool and then you drag it down like this. Okay, and that's for you to have a kind of reflection that the coffee is sitting down on the table very well. Okay, then we'll change the color that we have here. So we'll change it to this color. Okay, and this will increase this, but it's too much. So we'll take this up a bit. Like this. Alright. Beautiful. And what else? Let's position this. So I'll clip this into our design. So we also power clip this. Let's power clip this. Beautiful. I think I need to delete this. And this, position it somewhere here. This, position this to somewhere here. So let's reduce the images. So this should be somewhere here. So reduce it. Then we rotate it a bit. So let me increase it more. Beautiful. Then this, I need to reduce this too. Okay, I think it's okay somewhere here. Click on our transparency tool, and then we'll change this normal to overlay. Okay, then this, change this to screen. Beautiful. Okay, so let's work on our clip. Edit it. Then this, clip it out like this. So I need to reduce it a bit. It's too big. Then I position it like this. Then I'll come to effects, blur, and I give it a Gaussian blur. That's too much. I think let's see, 70 should be okay. Make it 70. Alright, then click OK. Beautiful. So I need to copy this leaf. So I'll come to effects, blur, Gaussian blur. 70 is too much. Let's give this, let's make it 20. Beautiful. So we position it very well. Like this. Okay. Then I'll copy it. And I click on finish. Right. So I'll paste it. Ctrl V to paste. And I'll position it somewhere here. So I'll reduce it. Okay, so much. Now I'll copy it to somewhere here again. And I'll give it a horizontal mirror. Alright. Beautiful. Okay, and this, I will edit the power clip again. Now take this down to this edge here. the rotate code. See 333.327. You can copy it so that you just make things work faster for yourself. Okay, and you click on finish. Beautiful. Then next we need to do now is to position our tests. So we go copy the tests. So these are the tests. Then you click on your test tool and then you paste the text. Good. So I'll press Ctrl K to ungroup the tests. I'll position this somewhere here, and this also to somewhere here at the center. Okay. Then this should go up. Good. Alright. So now this I will change the font to let me use this one. Alright. And this I will change it to all mark. So all mark on this black. I think this one should go. Alright, then I'll change the color to white. I'll change the color of this to white. Brilliant. So we can now increase the size. Now make sure it's centralized. Okay, that is at the center of the design. Okay, and this I'll increase the size a bit, and I'll make sure it's also at the center of our design. So press whatever, the text, then press a shift key, then click on the background and then press C. Make sure it's centralized. Okay, and this I'll reduce this. So I'll change the size, the font to this all mark. I think all mark on this regular should be okay. No, let me change it. All mark. Let's use this blue italic. Good. Alright, they are now color white. Now I'll click on my shape tool and then drag it like this so that to give a kind of line spacing. I'll make sure it is positioned at the center. Good. We are almost done. Now clicking this. Okay. Now change the color to white. Good. I think it's okay like this. This line you can also do it yourself. You can either use your rectangle tool or you use either the freehand tool or use the pen tool. So let's see if you can achieve it with the pen tool. Right, so you can change the color. So you see, then all you just have to do is to use your shape tool to adjust it, so you can see. So but let's just delete it. Alright, then you click on, so let me zoom out. Beautiful. So now quickly I want to do something. We're almost done. I think this is the last step. So I liked all the tests like this. I'll group them, Ctrl G to group. So let me take them out like this and then I'll apply shadow to them. Alright, then I'll apply shadow. As you can see, then I'll bring this down. Now change the color, change it to this. So I'll take it up a bit. Alright. Now bring it into the design. So press good. I press my shift key and I press C. I press my shift key and I click on the background and press C to bring the text from outside directly into the design. Okay. Alright. Then I think the shadow is okay like this. So you can still do one more thing. Let me ungroup the shadow. Okay. And this, you can see this. I've tinted the shadows. I'll bring it back. I'll click on bitmap it. Convert it to bitmap. Then I'll come to my transparency tool, and then I'll change this to, let's use a color bond just to give a kind of effect. Okay. Then so guys can see how beautiful our design is. It's as simple as I can see that the steps are very, very simple. Alright, I can assure you that you too can design something beautiful as this using your Coreldraw. Right, so I believe in you. So before we go, I need to reduce this a bit. It's too big. Alright, then this color, I'll change it to I'll change this normal to add lights. Beautiful. So I'll take it out a bit. Good. I think it's okay. Like this. Then this effect, I'll double click on it, and then I'll slant it like this. Alright, let me do it more. Beautiful. I'll click on finish. So you can see. Alright guys, I think that is what we just need to do for this tutorial. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. So I can assure you that you can do something as beautiful as this with your Coreldraw just by following this same procedure. Alright, before we go, if you like this video, I will urge you to make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Alright, and then if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe now. Okay, and then make sure that your notification bell is turned on so as for you not to miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading anytime soon. Alright, so I will see you in the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.